Hey everyone. I've been always looking for ways to simplify the content creation process, especially yung pag-film ng camera. I've been experimenting this past month with this GoPro. So, ang nangyari, una GoPro lang ang meron ako. Laging mahangin yung wind pagka nagmomotor or nagbabike, diba? So, kumuha ako ng mga wind muff, nag-overheat naman. Pero hindi rin ganun ka-effective. So, kumuha ako ng media mode, good, pero mabilis naman malobat. Tapos ang hirap kumonekta yung Wi-Fi. So, back to GoPro alone, linagyan ko ng wind muff sa harap. Meron pa ring wind na hindi maganda. Nung gumawa akong bike vlog, mahangin talaga. So, nakaka-frustrate na. Until, meron akong nakuhang wind muff from my Boya wireless mic na medyo nasira na yung connector. Naisip ko, ito na lang ilagay ko dito sa gilid ng GoPro. Tapos, paano ko kinabit? Gumamit ako ng panali ng buhok. Panali lang ng buhok. Tapos, kinabit ko dun sa plastic na medyo sira na. So, na-shoot ko sa loob. And then, nilagay kong ganito. Trinay ko kanina, medyo okay. So, ibig sabihin, itong setup na ganito, this is enough for your vlogs, diba? Ayan o, ganyan o. If you have a GoPro, meron kang panali ng buhok, tapos meron kang natabing mga wind muff na ganito, that's enough. So, ang gagawin mo lang, ito-turn off mo yung wind noise reduction sa settings ng GoPro para tuloy-tuloy lang yung audio niya. Dahil meron ka ng wind muff. Ang location pala ng mics niya, ha? Meron dito sa harap. GoPro 11 to. And then, meron siyang yung mic drain dito sa gilid. Yun ang ng wind. Yung butas dito sa harap, yung hole dito on top, hindi siya, I don't see any effect eh. So, for me, so far, I discovered the mics are here in the front and here on the side. And this is the video. Watch all throughout. See, pakinggan nyo. You say here, headphones, pero lower the volume and see if it's acceptable or not. Okay? Let's see how this performs. Mahangin ba? Gusto matesting ko sa mga rides para simplified pagka rain or shine setup. Kasi pagka may media mode, hindi siya pwede sa ulan. So far, okay naman, diba? I'm not gonna post this. Hindi ko ipapost ito. Ano lang to? It's for my own test. Feasible ba tong setup na to? Kasi the simpler the setup, the faster and the easier makagawa ng content, diba? So ayan o, ito yung ride, 25 kilometers per hour. May tall windshield. I'm right behind an SUV. So medyo may protection sa, ano ba tawag dyan? Mayroong trailing ba tawag? Car is just signaling to go to the right. Hopefully he does. Ayan. Testing sound. 1, 2, 3. It's just a GoPro, you know. Kaya ako tinatry ito ngayon because of the taller windshield. Ayan, okay pa ba? Narinig pa ba tayo? Still good. Yung windshield na to kasing taas nung mata ko eh, or ilong. Ayan, mata. Ayan na, ilong. Ayan, testing. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Ayan, rinig pa rin, diba? Sana. Let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Mga bikers lang. Alright, ayan. Mag-grocery muna ako. I'll check the audio. Then try natin dito sa Marcus Highway. Oh, by the way, if you're into photography or videography or you're a content creator, I recommend checking out Dehancer. Dehancer is a film-like color grading plugin. It's available as a plugin for DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, Adobe After Effects and Premiere, Light, Photoshop, Lightroom, and Capture One Pro. You can also use Dehancer online to edit your photos. And since I like doing all my content on my iPhone, I use Dehancer for iOS. Let me show you. After downloading the app, the interface is straightforward. You can download immediately your photos and videos and choose any template or preset from the Dehancer team. And you can edit the preset even more in Edit, and you can edit the halation, the bloom, the film grain, and if you don't like it, you can dial it down a little bit to your liking. And when you're satisfied, you can save it and immediately post it to your social media account. More details on the description below. Yan, matatest na natin sa Marcus Highway itong windshield talaga. Sana maluwag. And at the same time, yung aking GoPro na may wind muff lang sa gilid. Hindi siya naka-media mode. Talagang GoPro lang. Rinig pa ba ako? Seems okay. Okay pa. Dito na naman tayo sa aking paboritong rota. Lagi na lang ito. Okay, testingin natin. Up to 50 kilometers or more. And ito 60. Tunig pa ba? 60? 65? Ah, nakapag-60 diba? Eto siya, may resistance yung yung windshield. Ramdam ko yung nung makina eh. Yung galit ng makina eh, yung rev ng makina dahil may wind resistance nga. Hindi siya totally aerodynamic. Well, what do you expect? It's a retro design, lumang design nga, diba? Dito tayo sa maliit. Okay, nadaanan. Okay naman so far. Yeah, I guess yung 60 kilometers kayang-kaya nitong windshield. With this windshield, I think pwede kong gamitin yung GoPro as is lang na may wind muff sa gilid para yung audio rinig pa rin. Yes. So meron na akong bagong vlogging setup ngayon. Alright, that's all. Thank you. So yan, I think acceptable na. If you're wondering ano setup, ito. This is a neck mount telecine for GoPro or action cam. Tapos nakalagay lang siya dito ganito. May helmet ako, open face. And basically, yan lang yun. So I hope this helps you out. Ride safe, everyone. Bye.